Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today I'm breaking down exactly what Stan Store is and why it's one of the best tools for starting your digital business fast. So, what is Stan Store? Stan Store is a digital storefront that lets you sell products, coaching, digital downloads, and subscriptions, all from one simple link. It's often called a link in bio store because you can place it in your Instagram bio, TikTok profile, or anywhere you want people to click. Instead of just listing a bunch of random links like Linktree does, Stan Store lets you actually collect payments, deliver digital products automatically, book coaching calls, sell courses, build mini memberships, even offer digital downloads instantly. You don't need a full website. You don't need tech skills. You can build a full storefront in under an hour if you know what you're offering. Here's what Stan Store is made of. Offers. Each item you sell inside Stan is called an offer. Offers can be products, services, downloads, memberships, or coaching sessions. Checkout pages. Stan builds a simple checkout for you. People can pay you directly inside Stan with a few clicks. Automated delivery. When someone buys, Stan can automatically email them their digital product. You don't have to send anything manually. Booking features. You can also connect your calendar and let people book coaching or services directly through Stan. Email collection. Stan lets you collect emails and start building your list, even if you don't have a full email marketing system yet. Stan Store is the perfect tool for you if you're just starting out or if you want a fast, easy place to sell without having to build a full website right away. Later, as you stack more offers and need deeper automation, you might graduate into something bigger like Kajabi. But Stan Store is powerful because it gets you making money, fast, and keeps everything simple. If you have a Linktree right now, upgrading to a Stan Store is one of the best moves you can make to start actually collecting payments and building a real digital income